go back to the lab. I hope there's no traffic. There is... No! There's traffic! Oh no. We should have gone in earlier. We shouldn't have gone to the coffee shop. Hey, they're blocking our entrance. Can you move? We're close to the lab. This side is moving the most. Vern? Yes, we can go here. Vern? Okay, let's... Vern? Yes, I can go. Okay, now we go. Vern? What did he... No! These people! No! The car! Whoa! No! Wait, why is it all backing up? Okay, let's go to this lane. Yes! Whoa! Okay. Do you mind giving us space? We need to park in our lab. Oh, sure. I'm thirsty. Me too. Yes. Thank you, guys. Oh, okay. I think we're thirsty. We need to go to the shop. Yeah. No! Guys, no! I can't park there. No! No! I can't even back up. No! I think I know what we'll have to do. Wait, pea shooter, no! Don't leave me! Pea shooter! I definitely know the solution. Hey, you need to, can you clear this traffic? I heard that you're really helpful. Okay, you better go back in your car, because this might be risky. Okay. Hey, what were you doing that before? Hey, I know how we'll get out. I called the road clear. No! You didn't do that, right? Hey, I called the road clearer. It's just coming. Look. No, it's risky. No, you shouldn't have. Okay. No! Okay, we can back up. Oh, I think I forgot about this car. No, not a car. Even this! Okay, I think we're good. I hope that was helpful, guys. Call us next time if you need. Our car. Pea shooter! Look what you did! You broke our expensive car! Hey! I think I know what we should do. Guess who's behind this car? No fighting. Look, he just cleared the road for us. Hey, this is my big brother. Let's fight together. No! You'll pay for this. No! I guess that... Okay. Anyways, the lab is over there. So, no! At least we've got this. Okay, now we can get back in. Hey, everybody! All aboard! We got our plane working again. Whoa! Hey, so... No! Yes! Now we can go to Hawaii now! No! My legs are broken! Why? Come here! I'm calling the other friends! No. No! Okay, I need to go straight. Okay, hopefully
traffic isn't too long because I don't want it to be too long. Okay, the lights are starting. Vroom. Oh, great. There's already a traffic jam. Oh, man. Oh, gosh. That does not look good over there. Ah! What the heck? They're gonna run into my cars. What is happening? That truck's out of control. Oh my gosh. He messed up the road signs and everything. What the heck? What? Ah! Oh my gosh. Don't go that way, but I'm gonna go that way because I'm gonna say I'm a school bus. Let's go. Whoa! Gosh. What the heck is happening to our houses? Why is everyone's car moving? Ah! It's a big car tornado! Okay, I'm back. Hopefully there's not a lot of damage that happened. Oh my gosh! What the heck happened? It's a car crash! It's a car crash party. Let me join. No! Ah! Oh my gosh, it's crazy.